What up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose, right? But that being said, huge video on XLM, guys. It's another Harry Potter meme coin, right, with the ticker XLM. But the thing about this one is, guys, is like the team actually stuck around. There's been a million of these tokens that have dropped, but they have mostly been rug pulls. But these guys seem to have a team that has stuck around, guys. And I have a bunch of stuff to jump into, so let's go ahead and get to it, right? Here we are on the DEX Tools chart. The ticker is XLM, guys. I will leave the token address down below in the description in case you guys want to purchase it yourselves, and I'll leave some instructions down there just in case you guys are fairly new to crypto and need some help. I always like to leave that stuff down below in the description for you guys, right? And I also leave like the NFT collection that they have that got sold out, mind you. I'll leave that down below in the description as well, but we're going off a little too far now, so let's go ahead and jump back into this chart. Here we are at 6 cents, right guys? So just for some perspective, that's a $64,000 market cap, right? This reached all-time highs, guys, to like near to almost to, it was like $1.50, like about $1.55 it looks like. So we're way off of the all-time high, guys. Obviously this had a huge initial pump, as most meme tokens do in the beginning stages, guys, and obviously we had a huge retracement. But this is where the deciding factor happens if you're gonna run to, like, you know, 100 million or whatever have you, you know what I mean? It's these moments where tokens usually rug pull or the community just stops engaging. But that hasn't happened here, guys, so I'm very bullish here on this token. I just think, you know, along with XRP, guys, like XRP ran to $100 million market cap. I watched myself XRP go from 500k to 50k and then ran to 100 million, right? So this is kind of like retracing those steps, right? It definitely, you know, had its run to about, I don't know what market cap that puts that at, but maybe around 500k, maybe almost a million. Not too sure on the math there, right? Somebody in the comments can correct me about what market cap this reached, but it did reach like $1.50. And then it had a huge retracement, just like XRP, guys. But the thing about XRP was the community stuck around as well as the team, and that ended up paying off for a lot of people, guys. So I see the same thing happening here in XLM, and as you guys know, a lot of cryptocurrency has to do with patterns, and that doesn't always have, it's not always the chart. Sometimes you can take the community and the developers and look at their patterns and compare. But I just see this token doing really well. Let me show you guys this website real quick. The perfect meme token website. Absolutely stunning, guys. Look at this. Like, they took their time here. This is meme token central. The people have made songs which I could play, but I won't for copyright purposes here. You know, people have made rap songs, guys. People have they made an emulator here. You can play Street Fighter games and more, right? So if you guys want to go play some Street Fighter, come to the website. Super cool that they did that. They just really went all in on this website here, guys. Also, they did mint some NFTs, right? So we are going to jump on to they are minted out, so I'm gonna jump on OpenSea to show you guys those. But it was so cool the way they minted. Like, I'll show you here. So sick. See, it's just like an arcade machine. It was so dope, guys. But yeah, now that they're minted out, we can go to OpenSea and see what's going on here. Because I want to know exactly how much. There was only 200 of them, guys. That's insane. Floor price at 0.15, guys. Once this gets some notoriety, like, that is an extremely small NFT collection compared to like XRP. I think did a 3,000 something collection, right? Correct me if I'm wrong there, but 200 NFTs is insane, guys. Man, if this gets some traction on it, this NFT collection could go absolutely crazy. And I just look at these are perfect memeable NFTs, guys. Like, yo, you have different characters here. It's just so sick. Like, who doesn't want a Ryu meme character? Like, especially if these end up having utility. I mean, it just screams meme token all day, guys. And that floor price goes up pretty fast, especially with a small collection like that. So, you know, between NFT collection being sold out, guys, community involvement, team involvement, which is really, really important. I cannot stress that enough. Also, a thing that I want to mention is that one of the top whales is actually out, right? And this goes back to token distribution. The less whales that are in the project, the less one person holds of that token, right? So what you want is essentially a bunch of small holders, because with that becomes less volatility, right? And a lot more people want to invest in your token if the distribution is correct. Like, you don't want any big entities just hanging on to a significant amount of the token, right? So that's really important that the top 3 holder of the token is out, guys. So that's really huge as well. And then one more thing, guys, if you're not familiar, is there's a thing called Chatter Shield, right? Now, Chatter Shield is a recently developed bot that locks telegrams in order to get people to engage on Twitter and like and repost and comment, right? It locks the telegram until those specific goals are met. Whoever's running the telegram for that specific token or project gets to control how many likes or replies are needed, right? So, guys, we were floating number 1 on Chatter Shield, right? Which is huge because there's like a million projects that use that bot on Telegram. So for us to be number 1 is absolutely insane. And shout out Chatter Shield, right? Really cool bot. But yeah, for us to be number 1 there is actually pretty wild. So with those things, guys, like, I think this token could get a lot of traction behind it. I mean, we saw what it did here, guys. All the same ingredients are still there. None of those ingredients have left besides initial hype, guys. But if you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, the initial hype is never as big as that reclaim hype, guys. Like, crypto is up and down, but if it's correct, then it'll go up higher and then down higher and then up higher and then down higher, and it just continues to go up, right? So where do I see this token going as far as like market cap in the next year? Well, let's play a perfect scenario where we get a bull run, right? I do believe that during this next bull run, guys, we're going to see a surge of tokens like we did in the last bull run that hit $1 billion market cap without even being listed on Binance. Like, we had a lot of those. There was a lot of projects that hit $1 billion market cap that did not ever even get listed on Binance. Like, it was just, the bull run was so powerful that even like just regular meme tokens that would pop out of the blue would run insanely, guys. So if this team continues to keep doing what it's doing, and we do get a bull run, right, in the midst of all of it, I could see this hitting $1 billion market cap very easily, guys. I want to say that I'm a big fan of meme tokens, in case you're not familiar with the channel. So when I see a token like this, guys, I'm just like, this is a meme token central here. Like, this is a super meme token to me. Like, I just think that, you know, there's taking above like steps above all those dog coins that we saw run, like Saitama and Baby Doge. Shout out all them tokens. They're huge. They've grown into extremely big projects, right? So I can't knock them. Actually, I cover them a ton. But what I'm saying here is, like, when you say the word meme token, I don't picture a dog. I picture like crazy memes, like what's going on here with this Street Fighter stuff. Like, this is screaming meme token. So it's just like, I don't know, guys. That's kind of my take on it. I think that a few of these Harry Potter coins are going to see the fruits of the next bull run. I definitely have my eyes on XLM, and if you guys want to check out XLM for yourselves, I will leave all links down below in the description. I'll leave the OpenSea link for the NFTs in case you guys want to go try to snag one of those, maybe throw an offer. You know, maybe somebody will take a low offer on their XLM NFT because there hasn't been any volume yet. So, you know, maybe something to look into there. I feel like those will have a significant utility in the future. But yeah, it's just one of those tokens that I think is going to fare well in the next bull run. So again, guys, I appreciate you. If you liked the video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and again, always leave those comments down below and let me know how you feel about this token. Are you guys going to check it out? Or just let me know anything, like overall market sentiment, questions, any of that stuff. I love all the feedback, guys. So that being said, it's Crypto Ether, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace.